Join me as I take on the challenge of finding the fastest ways to make money with AI in 2025. The potential of making money with AI in 2025 is undeniable. AI is transforming the way we live and work, and its impact on personal finance is only just beginning to be felt. From automating tasks to generating new business ideas, AI has the power to unlock new revenue streams and revolutionize the way we think about money. One of the biggest misconceptions about making money with AI is that it requires a deep understanding of coding and technical expertise. But the truth is, many AI tools and platforms are designed to be user-friendly and accessible to anyone, regardless of their technical background. Another common challenge people face is the fear of AI replacing human workers. But I believe that AI can augment human capabilities and create new opportunities for entrepreneurs and small business owners. Then there's the myth that AI is only for big companies and corporations. But I'm here to tell you that there are plenty of ways for individuals to leverage AI and generate income quickly. And finally, some people think that AI is just a hype, but I believe that AI is the future, and those who adapt quickly will be the ones to reap the benefits. One of the most exciting areas of AI for making money quickly is in the realm of content creation. With the rise of AI-powered content generation tools, it's never been easier to create high-quality content at scale. From blog posts to social media content, AI can help you produce engaging and relevant content that resonates with your audience. Another area is in virtual assistants, where AI-powered chatbots can help you automate routine tasks and free up more time to focus on high-leverage activities. Then there's the world of e-commerce, where AI can help you optimize your product listings, predict demand, and streamline your supply chain. And finally, AI is also being used in cryptocurrency trading, where it can help you analyze market trends and make informed investment decisions. One success story that illustrates the potential of using AI to make money fast is that of a young entrepreneur who used AI-powered tools to create and sell an online course on social media marketing. By automating the content creation process and using AI to optimize the marketing strategy, he was able to generate over $10,000 in revenue in just a few weeks. Another example is a small business owner who used AI-powered chatbots to automate customer support and free up more time to focus on growth and expansion. And finally, there's the story of a freelancer who used AI-powered translation tools to offer translation services to clients around the world, generating a full-time income in just a few months. To sum it up, making money with AI in 2025 is not just a pipe dream, but a tangible reality. By staying informed about the latest AI advancements and being open to new opportunities, you can unlock new revenue streams and achieve financial freedom. What do you think about making money with AI? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos on AI trends and innovations.